6:16 right now. If you're just now waking up with us, we are continuing our weather impact coverage this morning. Live pictures over Lake Norman right now, and you can see snow there keeping those boats in place. Meanwhile, our temperatures remain below freezing, and they've been that way for quite some time. Becca joins us right now. We'll be lucky if we get out of the freezing mark today. And then tonight, that's the big concern.
Bitter cold air is going to take over, and if you had any plans to play out in the snow, of course, yesterday was cold with that blowing snow and those winds that were gusting anywhere from 25 to 30 miles per hour. So we'll still carry a wind threat as we go today. Gusts will be just a little bit lighter, around 15 to 20. As we go into Friday, we had temperatures drop below freezing and right around 10 o'clock. So from now till then, 32 hours is where we're at for temperatures at 32 degrees or below. And will likely rise above freezing this afternoon, maybe for an hour or two. That's going to be about it. Weather impacts, we'll see some snow melt and evaporation today, but anything that, of course, doesn't completely evaporate or melt, which will be a lot, that's going to refreeze pretty quickly going into this evening. Dangerously cold temperatures with hard freezes each morning as we go over the next couple of days. So we're going to be watching for that extreme cold warning that is now in effect as we go through Monday morning. Lows will be in the single digits, but the wind chills will make it feel close to zero and in some spots below zero, especially up towards the high country. This is where we'll have that concern for hypothermia and frostbite. So you'll want to prepare not only for the bitter cold temperatures, but also the snowpack that will likely carry with us as we go over the next couple of days. We have dried out nicely. We are still hanging on to some cloud cover. That will clear out over the next couple of hours, but you can see on our satellite radar, it is still snowing at the beach from Wilmington all the way over towards the Outer Banks. So Futurecast has the system pulling off to the east, sunshine back into the forecast, which will help with some of that evaporation called sublimation, where basically the snow goes from a solid to a gas. I do think we'll have the chance to see that, but it still stays very cold today and bitterly cold as we start off your Sunday morning. More sunshine, though, for your Monday as well. Let's take a look at these wind chills. Right around 3 o'clock, feeling like the upper teens for the metro, still feeling below zero, -9 over towards Boone. And then the coldest air of this season so far arriving from Monday morning with those wind chills close to that zero value all across the Piedmont, feeling like -7 over towards Boone, and it stays chilly with wind chills in the 30s for the rest of your Monday. So we do have an extreme cold warning. This gets issued by the National Weather Service. Notice that every single county in our viewing area is encompassed in that, from the mountains all the way into the metro. So you'll want to take that seriously and make those necessary precautions if you do have to be outside tomorrow morning. Overnight, temperatures fall into the single-digit values. That continues widespread. We could actually see temperatures cool down just a bit. In fact, fresh snow helps keep temperatures colder at night, anywhere from around 2 to 7 degrees. The reason why? Well, that fresh snow cover reflects 90% of that radiation. Evaporation and sublimation, like I mentioned, are cooling processes, and record lows often occur on clear nights with fresh snow, which is exactly what we have in the forecast. Not only that, that forecasted low of 10 degrees is going to be near record-breaking coldest low temperatures. That last one, as the record stands, around 1917. So as we go over the next couple of days, yes, we will see some sunshine that will help melt or evaporate some of the snowpack going into this work week with a gradual warm-up. It's just going to be the cold mornings ahead, especially over the next couple of days in this Jerry Hunt Supercenter 7-day. By Tuesday, more clouds, highs in the middle 40s. Another round of wet weather expected for Wednesday. This is going to bring another cool down to the area by the end of the work week, and this first full week of February will still remain below average.